You will be amazed by this 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a powerful, refined MKZ that has everything you need to make your daily drive feel exceptionally comfortable and secure. From its refined cabin to its premium audio system to its driver assist technology, this four-door sedan infuses every journey with confidence and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, satellite radio, backup camera, multi-zone AC, Wi-Fi hotspot. Feel relaxed and ready for whatever the journey has in store when you're behind the wheel of this stunning MKZ. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.